How to retarget customers based on shopping behavior via N8N. A user visits your store, adds something to cart, maybe even buys, and boom, within seconds your system automatically checks what they bought, when and how much, then send a perfectly timed personalized retargeting email through SendGrid. This workflow, which will watch Google Sheets for new purchases, will analyze customer purchase history, will segment them active buyer, inactive, abandoned cart, will send a personalized retargeting email through SendGrid, will log every action in a retargeting log sheet. Let's start the workflow. Google Sheet is the purchase feed trigger. Where are your purchase records stored? In the Google Sheet like purchases, with the column customer name, email, product, amount, purchase date, and status. Its purpose is to detect new or update purchase row in your Google Sheets. After that, you have the function node to segment the customer behavior. His purpose is to analyze and classify each customer automatically. Let's open the function. If last purchase is lower than 7, segment active buyer. Else if last purchase segment more than 30 days, will be lost. After that, you have the SendGrid node to send the personalized retargeting email. Let's open it. Its purpose is to deliver customized email content per segment. The operation will be create to email JSON email. The subject will be JSON subject. The text will be JSON message. An example output will be, for example, to alex@example.com. Subject: we miss you, Alex. Body will be, it's been a while since your last order. Enjoy 15% of your next purchase. After that, you have the last Google Sheet node. His purpose is to keep track of every email sent for auditing and analytics. His mapped segment will be the customer name, the email, the segment, the subject, the product, and the purchase date. The result will be every email is logged neatly in a retargeting log tab for visibility. So now you have a self-sustaining retargeting system that runs 24 hours from 7 days, powered by N8N, zero manual work, full personalization, and full traceability. That was all for this tutorial, guys. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.